What's up, guys? It's Jeffrey coming at you with another video where we are talking about all things crypto and mainly Ripple. We're mainly talking about Ripple. So today we've seen Ripple make a high at $3.30. It's been on basically a steady rise from, let's see, it's been basically on a steady rise from like 20 to 24 cents. And this is a daily chart that I'm looking at now, so each candlestick represents 1 day worth of time. So we can break this down. High was formed today at pretty much $3.30. So let's break this down, go on a 4-hour time frame. Okay. So basically what I'm looking for going forward is I want to see if price gets back above $3.30, and I want to see if it holds above $3.30. If we don't get above $3.30 and we start to trade lower below $2.80, then I'm going to expect lower prices, at least to $2.45. If we go below that, then I am looking for about $1.60. So ideally, I've been scaling off portions of my Ripple portfolio little by little as we reach certain objectives in the marketplace. And this is just based off what I've learned about price action and the levels that I got in at, and what is a good enough level for me, and what I've seen as a good enough percentage return for me to exit that position. I still will look to re-enter more positions, but I am looking for a cheaper price. I don't think that Ripple is starting to move down just yet, though. I do think we are still on a constant upward trend. But like I said, I am waiting to see if we get a break above this $3.30 level. If we do not, or if we just come above it and then start trading lower, then I'm going to look for $2.80. And if we break that, then I'm going to look for even lower to $1.60. Ideally, I'm going to look to re-enter any lower than $1.60. Looks like a really good area to enter for Ripple for me. So that's what I'll be looking at personally. Now I just want to move to another chart and show you guys what I have outlined for basically how I see price action and what I have drawn on the charts to map out what I think. If you watch my other videos, you hear me talk about a storyline. So this is me essentially building the storyline for the multiple things that I believe could happen in the marketplace. So right here, $3.20, roughly $3.17, $3.20. I expect price to possibly want to come up here, and when it trades to this level, I want to see what it does. Does it go above it and act as support, or does it act as resistance and start to trade lower? If it acts as resistance here and starts to trade lower, I will be looking for this low to be breached, which is about $2.85. And if we get lower than that, I definitely will be expecting lower prices. This is a 30-minute chart, so it's a little bit more zoomed in. So let's go out to about an hourly time frame here. Okay, yeah. So if we respect this as resistance, so it's already pulling down a little bit, but if we come up here, tap this, respect it as resistance, I'm going to look for this to be breached. If we breach this, then I'm going to look for 250 and lower. This is something that I know this may be confusing looking at it if you didn't draw this on here yourself, but so basically what I'm looking for ideally is just this 161 level, right? This is ultimately a turning point for me. So if we get below here, I'm expecting potential lower prices down to these levels back below $1. If we act as support here, then we could want to make a run back up to $3.30 if this is the high in place. We don't know that yet, so we have to see what price tells us. And something that I do see as a potential scenario is if $3.30 was in fact the high, then it, based on how price action is, it should respect this level, $3.20 as resistance, take out this level here at $2.94, and then start trading lower, which would signify to me that we're going to go a little bit lower. So that's what I see going forward with Ripple. Let's take a look at, and that's pure technical analysis of Ripple. So let's move over and take a look at CoinMarketCap and see what we got over here. So it's still sitting in the number 2 spot, right below Bitcoin, which to me that's pretty crazy. Just knowing that this new technology and new coin is basically already sitting underneath the number 1 crypto. But yeah, so we're still seeing constant gains in Ripple. We got a 22.37% change in the last 24 hours, which is, I mean, just remarkable. Like 22% returns overnight is is really unheard of. I mean, not in crypto, but oh wow. So look at Tron. Tron actually went up 157.80% overnight. Wow, so so Tron may be something to look into. I haven't really looked into that at all yet, but I've mainly had my eyes just on Ripple. But that is pretty interesting, seeing Tron, and I've been seeing a lot of guys talking about that, so that may be something that I'll look into in another video. But hope this was helpful for you guys. Please drop a comment below. Let me know what you thought about the video, what you're looking into as far as cryptos. Are you invested in Ripple? What do you think about what's going on with Ripple? Do you think $3.30 could be the high? Do you think it could trade lower? Really, what are your predictions for Ripple? Do you think it could go to $10 in 2018? But let me know what you think in the comments below. So I totally forgot to show you this during the video. So I'm recording this little snippet at the end. This is my portfolio of Ripple. I took a screenshot of it just because I didn't want to have like my Binance account pulled up like with all my account information. So this is the screenshot of my portfolio. It's I buy Ethereum and then exchange it on Binance for XRP. So you'll see it's all XRP/ETH. So I'm going to actually do a screen recording that I will show like on the side of the screen with this. That will show you on my phone, that breaks it down with US dollar amounts, so you could actually see the percentage and the gains since the first purchase of Ripple. Alright guys, so this is my Ripple portfolio on my phone, and I just wanted to show you guys so you could actually like reference and see the percentage and the gains and whatnot in US dollar and like the costs and whatnot. And so you'll see the first purchase of Ripple that I had was the one at 22 cents, and I got 85 Ripple at $18. And so the percentage gain on that is 1,264%. And then my second purchase of Ripple was 43 cents. I bought 153 Ripple for $66.23, which is a 600% return. I bought 89 Ripple for 46 cents for my third purchase of Ripple. That cost me $40, and I have a 558.79% return on that. Then my next purchase of Ripple was at 51 cents for 183 Ripple at $93, and that is a 491% return. And I bought 25 Ripple at 53 cents for $13. 432 Ripple at 45 cents for basically 200 bucks, 600% return. 384 Ripple at 78 cents for $301 at a 286% return. And then so here you will see where I sold some Ripple off. So currently I own 100 Ripple. I sold 350 Ripple when it hit $1. 170 Ripple when it hit, 350 and 170 Ripple when it hit $1. 330 Ripple when it hit basically $1.50. 100 Ripple when it hit $1.90, which in my eyes was $2. 300 Ripple when it hit $3. So yep, I am currently holding on to 100 more Ripple to see what we can get out of it. And if we get a pullback, you guys already know what I'm going to do for there. So this is my current Ripple portfolio. These areas that I bought Ripple at were obviously levels that I had like built a case study and storyline for, and of course were also down candles. So this may be a good opportunity to like look at the chart and see where I was buying at. But I am going to sign off now